multifunctional compressor skid of gas lift and gas liquid mixed transportation is mainly used for increasing production and recovery of production in mid to late stage gas wells. The compressor unit can realize gas lift drainage, depressurization exploitation, gas liquid mixed transportation, increasing the production and recovery rate of gas wells. Open the production valve. The wellhead flow contains liquid, particles, and gas. The flow first passes through the desander to be removed most of the solid particles and liquids. Then enters the two-phase separator to be further separation of liquid and fine solid particles. After that, gas enters the basket strainer to be removed solid particles with a diameter larger than 0.5 millimeters. The treated gas will be divided into 3 streams. One of them will enter the gas engine as fuel gas. The gas engine drives the hydraulic pump and the generator at the same time, and the other 2 gas streams will enter the hydraulic compressor for boosting. The high-pressure hydraulic oil drives the reciprocating motion of the piston to compress the gas. The unique hydraulic piston compression structure can work under different conditions, such as 100% gas, 100% liquid, and gas-liquid mixed cases. After compression, the gas enters the air cooler for cooling and is finally discharged into the transmission pipeline for further transportation. Water-flooded gas wells can be effectively increased production by gas lift to remove liquid at the bottom of the well. Switch the unit to gas lift plus mixed transportation mode. The gas first enters the mixed transportation compressor, LP, for initial boosting. The pressurized gas is divided into 2 streams. One is discharged into the transmission pipeline for further transportation. The other stream is injected into the casing after secondary boosting in gas lift compressor, HP. After high-pressure gas enters the casing, the liquid is pressurized into the tubing through the gas lift valve or wellbore inclination, enhancing the liquid carrying capacity of the gas. After recovery production by gas lift, the mixed transportation compressor is used for depressurizing exploitation, improving the gas carrying rate and accelerating the drainage of liquid. The separation liquid can be discharged into the sewage pool or liquid collection tank through the drainage pipeline, or can be injected into transmission pipeline through a high-pressure plunger pump to achieve tight line transportation. The multifunctional compressor skid of gas lift and gas liquid mixed transportation by Kuruway has the characteristics of diverse medium adaptability, wide applicability of wellhead pressure, and multiple production operation modes. With high reliability and low operating cost, the skid can be widely used in natural gas increasing and recovery production.